case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
Gary Paul Young, a Texas businessman, brought an appeal in 2005 against a trial court's ruling involving the complex entangling of personal assets with his company, Dax Enterprises, Inc., during a contentious divorce case. At the crux of this appeal was his claim that the trial court erred when it categorized Dax as a community asset, an error he insisted carried over into both asset valuation and the award of equitable liens. The trial court had found that Young's corporation was his alter ego, and thus was to be culled into the pool of shared property in the divorce settlement. This crucial finding stemmed from the fact that Young was the sole employee of the corporation and was solely in charge of its finances. Moreover, he often used the corporation's funds for personal expenses. In addition, Young contested a ruling regarding the 69 RV property. He argued it should be classified as his separate property because the funds used for its purchase came from his personal retirement money in 3 CD accounts. Yet he struggled to produce convincing documentary evidence to support his argument, instead relying on his testimony alone to establish the origin of the funds. The court, however, ruled in favor of the community presumption, meaning it viewed the RV property as purchased during the marriage and therefore a shared asset. Young had also argued that the trial court erred in assessing the value of the 69 RV property and another business called Sunshok Tans. The court, however, found that the trial court was well within its discretion in reaching its valuation conclusions. The only concession the court made for Young's plight was regarding the placement of an owlty of partition on the entire 69 RV property. Since it was owned not by individual partners but by the partnership, the court decided this constituted an error. In its final decision, the appellate court agreed with Young only on the issue of the owlty of partition. It reformed the trial court's judgment to delete this award, but left the rest of the trial court's decision intact. Young's appeal thus faced a mixed result, inevitably providing valuable lessons on legal complexities at the intersection of business and marital property.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.